Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, dear students, to our science class. So today is Tuesday, and it is the 1st of December 2020. Our lesson today is about environmental changes and how it affects the organisms. Before we start, I would love to ask you, what are the environmental changes? What does that mean?
I know.
Yes, Yatala.
That means the environment changes.
Excellent. Changes that can happen for the environment. For example, Amal, do you have any idea like what?
Like fire, like this.
Yes, like fires, like flood, like
Rain
drought.
or storm.
Excellent. Storms,
Thunder,
yes.
tornadoes, earthquakes.
Earthquakes, tornado. What else? How many girls I have here? I have 8 girls, so I need to hear 8 voices. There are a lot of changes. Okay, environmental changes can only happen by nature, or people can cause the changes, ya Jori.
What?
These changes to the environment, it can be only caused by nature, or also people can cause these changes.
Also people?
Excellent. Can you give me an example? Is there something in your mind?
Yes, I know one. When we cut trees.
Excellent, yeah, Juri, when we cut trees. Yes, yeah, Amal, give me another one.
Fire.
We make fires. Excellent, excellent. What else, girls? What else? Do you have anything to add? Okay, let's try to answer this one. A forest fire can change a landscape in a matter of minutes. Trees are burned and animals run off for shelter. How could a forest fire be a good thing? This change can be a good thing. Can you think positive and tell me how it can be a positive thing or a good change? Let's try, girls. If we have fire, what will happen? Hi, Maria. Can you try?
Things will get burned.
Yes, things will get burned, and then it will turn to ashes. Where it will go? Or can ashes help the soil to have nutrients or not? Do you have any idea? Ashes can help.
I think yes.
Yes, yeah, Amal. Excellent. Ashes can help the soil to have more nutrients. What else? So now the trees are gone, okay? Plants are dead, and they are all turned to ashes from fire. Now, what about the space?
There will be a big space for
Yes, for what?
a new plants to grow.
Excellent. So we are going to have a new place, a new space for new plants to grow. Very nice, very good. And the soil is going to be very good because of the ashes. It got new nutrients. And sometimes the roots under the ground, they are not burned. They are still okay. So they can reproduce again. They can have more plants. So what is the good thing from a forest fire? We have a new space. Number one, we have a new space for new plants to grow, new growth.
And help no nutrients.
Excellent, and help the soil to have nutrients. So everything bad, we can have something good out of it. Everything, even in our lives. Maybe sometimes something happens to you and you feel, oh, why this is happening to me? And you feel very sad about it. But no, you have to look for the good thing that happened after that. Okay, so what am I doing right now? If I am really sad, I need to do something about it and try to find the good thing about it. There must be at least one good thing that happened after it made you feel bad. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Per-
Okay.
Okay.
Amal, you are a shining star today.
Okay.
So I can see a
Thank
shining.
you.
You're welcome, dear. You're welcome. All right. So changes to our environment can be naturally or caused by people, and these changes can come over time. They will change over time because some of them will change very slowly and some of them will change very quickly. Do you have any idea, any something in your mind about how changes can be very quickly? Like what?
Yes, like a volcanoes.
Okay. Like it can be, yes, like a volcano. It can quickly change the environment. Exactly. Yes, it can change quickly the environment. What else?
Earthquakes. Earthquakes,
Earthquakes.
maybe.
Yes, earthquakes. Excellent. Okay, what about something
Tornado.
will change the land slowly or the environment slowly?
Um, like. Mm,
Maybe it will take time, like years or hundreds of years. Think about the valley. The valley, you know the valley? You
yeah.
know the valleys?
Oh, when the Miss, wait, Miss, when like the desert gets dry and then like it becomes like cracked because it's so dry.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So drought can take months or so much time to appears. Excellent, yes. Also about the valley, guys, do you know the word erosion? What does erosion mean?
I don't know what's the meaning of it.
I don't know. I
Guys,
don't know.
we are taking erosion since grade 2.
I don't know
Okay,
it.
have you
I don't
ever
even
heard that the
remember.
land is worn away? When the land worn
No,
away, what does it mean?
I don't know.
Okay, have you ever heard about okay, when you go to the beach, all right? You don't see a
Okay.
steep land.
Yes.
Okay, how did this
Mm,
happen?
because of the ocean.
Of course. Okay, what did the
Yes.
ocean did? Excellent. What did the ocean do?
The water
Maybe
came to the land.
Excellent. And it will take with it what?
sand,
Sand and
water,
rocks. No,
rocks.
the water will take the sand and rocks, and then the land will be worn away. This is erosion, guys. Let me show you some pictures about erosion. So
Okay.
when water or wind take away the rocks and sand, we call it erosion. See? Can you see the pictures over here?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, how this area is appeared. Can you see over here? We have steep
Yes.
land or going down very steep. What happens? How did it form? Because water is moving from here. When it's moving away, it's taking with it what?
The rocks, the
The
ground.
land and rocks.
Sand and rock. So sand and rock were taking away rocks and sand. This is erosion. This is a kind of change that can affect the living things. If there is any plants over here, it will be dead, and some animals, they will move away because their habitat has changed, or they don't know how to pass from this side to this side. So definitely it will affect the living things. Okay, see this picture also. This is caused by erosion. Erosion, does it happen very quickly or takes a lot of time?
A lot of time.
A
because
lot of
it's a big
time.
ground.
It takes a lot of time. See, these houses can fall down because of erosion. Look at down here, the valley. This is a valley. How did it happen? Because of what?
Water.
The water.
Erosion. Yes, because of erosion. Water. Sometimes wind can do that. Wind can blow the land away and it will cause weathering. Okay, guys, now let's take a look at the volcano over here. Volcano eruption can quickly change the environment. How will it change the environment, guys?
Things around it will be burned, and plant and everything.
Excellent.
Maybe house near it. It will be burned.
Excellent, excellent. My shining star today. Excellent, Amal. Yes. Centuries of forest growth and wildlife that live in it can be destroyed within hours. See? Now, a forest, we know that trees, they don't grow quickly and easily. They take years and sometimes months just to grow and to grow big, and we have a tall tree or a big tree. But in a minute or in hours, by the volcano, they will be burned away. So, yes, volcano can change the organisms around and the environment around very quickly. Also, over here, a drought. A drought occurs when what? When so much water in the land or very little water?
Very little water.
Excellent. When
Little
little rain
water.
falls, if the land doesn't have rain for a long time, so it will be dry. Plants and animals will disappear because there's no water. وخلقنا من الماء كل شيء حي. That means everything will live with water. There's nothing can live without water. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, look at this picture. What is the change in this picture? What do you think? Look at the map.
Ice.
Ice, excellent. So ice is doing what?
Freezing.
Freezing the area. Can organisms live in freezing area?
No.
No.
Okay.
A warm area.
Okay, freezing area, so it can
No,
what are
yes,
the
yes,
changes
yes.
it will do to organisms or other living things?
Freeze them?
Yes, also they cannot find food or shelter or
Water.
yes, also water. Now, during the last
Water will
ice
be
age,
freezed.
yes, excellent. Okay, who wants to read? I want you to read this paragraph over here.
Me, Amal.
Okay, yes, Amal, you can read for me.
During the last ice age, ice nearly 4 kilometers thick covered much of North America. Because the ice heals so much frozen water, the level of the oceans dropped and conceals change.
Coastline changed.
And
Excellent.
coastlines changed.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, girls. Now let's go to the next page. All right, look at these two pictures. I have a new word for you. It calls succession. What does succession mean? What do you think? Look at these two pictures. What do you think succession means? Or
Life of plants.
life of plants. Okay.
The gradual change of organisms
Plants
in
growing.
an ecosystem is called succession.
Okay, the gradual. What do I mean by the gradual change of organism in an
That
ecosystem?
means it changes not quickly but like slowly.
The gradual, I mean the area down here, it is gradable if it's thick enough or thin enough. How about if we watch a video about succession and we will complete our book tomorrow? Do you think it's a good idea?
Okay.
Okay. First of all, let's underline the word gradual, succession. What does it mean? And then we will go to the video. Succession means the gradual change of organisms in an ecosystem are called succession. Okay, girls, if you underline with me, we can.
I underlined. Done.
Very good, very good. Okay. We'll say bye-bye to YouTube now. Stop recording now. And we will open our video about succession. Okay, guys?
Okay. Okay.
Very good.